Hi, welcome to video log number 3. Today we're taking my wife's car out to get new tires, and I just wanted to introduce you to a couple of my videos this week. The first off, I did do a video that I won't be able to show. One of the local schools asked me to do a drone video for them. And even though I'm not a commercial drone pilot, since I was doing it for free, I guess it didn't matter. So I can't show that video because I don't want to share it until after they share it on their social media pages, which will be after the first week of November. But all in all, it came out really well. I was real pleased with it, and they were very happy with it also. The next video that I would like to share with you is it was a night flight I did, and I extended the height that I could fly the drone. I did have it at 116 feet, and I extended it, and it went up to 132 feet, and I shot it right at sunset. And it was so high that I couldn't actually see the drone, but watching it on the camera, I knew everything was okay. I got some really nice shots of our local football field at the beginning of the game, and sunset on the Ohio River. This next video was a quick little flight I did out at Beaver Creek State Park in Ohio. We were just going out to see if the leaves had started to change yet, and very little, but it was still a nice day for flying, and a short clip of flying around the creek out there. Okay, and our last video today is I rode my cat trike out on the Little Beaver Greenway Trail in Lisbon, Ohio, and I got some short video. It was a beautiful fall day out there. The leaves are starting to fall. It's fun riding on a trail when the leaves are down. Here's a short video of some clips from that ride. Actually the second train. They pass each other. So that's a wrap for this week's videos. I want to thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, stick with me. I'll be trying to get those videos out about every week or so. And I wish the very best for you and yours. Have a great day. Thank you.